wake up to you in the morning. You tell me how you're feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead. You got so many battles you don't need to fight. Feel it with you every time it isn't feeling right. I wish I could take your pain, Dealing with some things I've never seen in life. You heard them, but it don't show on the outside. And repeat it every day.
I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free. We can go to wherever we like. There's so much out there to see. You can paint a picture while we're playing of the palm trees in the air. I can sing you all that I've been saying. I like the color of your hair. All I really know is I was waiting. Now that love is ours to share. I'll drive if you put on the music. Poor Simon is fine by me. We can take any road that we like. I've got nowhere else to be. Your eyes look prettiest on the water. Hope you don't mind that I stare. And I truly think you looked amazing when I saw you standing there. All I really know is I was waiting. Now that love is ours to share. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings and I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free.
Over the clouds, this life belongs to me. Soaking in warmth down to my dangling feet. Fairy dust in hand, love's in high demand. I got some, there's plenty here to share. 'Cause I am flying, alive and free. I'm living in the moment, every breath I breathe. I'm gliding higher, alive and free. I let the good things all just roll right into me. I turn the sun on with a wave of hand. Imagine life is under my command. Floating round the love, feeling such a buzz.